Is it better? Okay. You are getting these things. Back. Okay. This is white color. Manual. That came with a SIM. Attached to it. The SIM is attached to it. Okay, there's the SIM. Okay, SIM holder. The signal cable, the network, the indicators, power indicator, Wi-Fi indicator, network indicator, signal indicator, and other ones. And this is white color. Comes, you have black and red. Okay, and you have some instruction at the back, like this one. You see the number here. Okay, has the number on the SIM. Okay, so you have this information on it. Okay, so have this thing, and when you turn the back, you can have the SSID. Have this SSID. Okay, and you have the name. You have the Wi-Fi key. So you have the Wi-Fi key to connect. So it's always at the back. When you check the back, you see those things. You can see the Wi-Fi key. So you can see the SSID 1. You can see the SSID 2. So it has the 2.4 gigahertz. You have the 5.0 gigahertz. The 2.40 gigahertz is for long range and lower speed, and the 5.00 gigahertz is for short range and faster speed is faster. Okay, you see also have the reset in case you want to. Okay, so you see the SIM here. The SIM is already inside. Okay, if you want to bring out the SIM, you can first bring out the SIM. Okay, see the SIM, and you can put it back. Put back the SIM. Also have the reset button. When you press it, it's reset. Okay, you close this thing back. Okay, you have another bus, and let's open this bus. Okay, when you open this bus, this is the charger. Okay, for new one, you have the charger, and then you can put the charger here. That goes to this place. Okay, and then connect to the socket to power this. So you have the LAN and you have the phone. These are the two LANs. You have the phone. Okay, when you open here too, you also have this. Okay, this is for Another connection, have 1 and 2. Okay, you have the WPS. Okay, so when you open these two, you have the network cable. This network cable is when you want to connect and configure it using the LAN network. You can configure using LAN network if you want to. Okay. So this all you can find in this MTN 5G. You also have this. So when you buy the MTN 5G, expect to have these things. Expect to have all these things there. So I hope you do enjoy it. Thank you for watching.